Hi students, in previous lecture we discussed about MOSFET. So MOSFET, there are two types of MOSFETs, one is DE MOSFET and another one is E MOSFET. In previous video lecture we discussed about DE MOSFET. Today lecture we are going to discuss about E MOSFET. So E stands for enhancement type MOSFET. Okay, so here the main difference is what? Here it is N channel DE MOSFET, here N channel E MOSFET, right? So here the DE MOSFET has three terminals: gate, drain, source, and here gate is insulated from the semiconductor by insulator. Okay, in similar way E MOSFET also three terminals: source, gate, drain, right? So here also gate is insulated from the semiconductor body by insulator layer, right? So here for DE MOSFET both drain and source N type. Okay, so the space between drain and source is called as a channel. That channel is N channel. Okay, so in E MOSFET again same, source and drain both are N type, but here there is no channel between the source and drain. Okay, so here the main difference is there is no channel. Initially there is no channel between the source and drain, right? So here the channel between source and drain is induced by applying gate voltage. Okay, that is the main reason. Okay, so in E MOSFET the channel is induced between the source and drain, and it is enhanced, channel is enhanced by applying positive gate voltage. That's why it is called enhancement type MOSFET. Okay, these are the symbols for DE MOSFET and D MOSFET. So the first one is symbol for N channel DE MOSFET, and second symbol is P channel DE MOSFET. Okay, so here difference is only arrow direction, right? And next one N channel E MOSFET symbol, and here it is P channel E MOSFET symbol. So symbols are very important. Okay, so please remember this, right? So only difference is DE MOSFET and E MOSFET. So for E MOSFET symbol is, it is in the shape of E, right? Okay, next coming to working of N channel E MOSFET, right? Okay, so before going to working of N channel E MOSFET, here I need to tell one point. DE MOSFET, that is depletion type MOSFET, is generally called as normally on MOSFET, and enhancement type MOSFET is called as normally off MOSFET. So why? Because why DE MOSFET is called as normally on MOSFET? Okay, so this is the plot for transfer characteristics. Already it is discussed in previous video lecture. Okay, so it is a plot between VGS and drain current ID, and here VDS is kept constant. So here horizontal axis is VGS and vertical axis is ID. Okay, so here when VGS equal to 0, there is a drain current IDSS. Okay, so here when VGS 0, drain current is present. Okay, so that's why it is called as a drain current, and even though gate voltage 0, there is a drain current. Okay, because of VDS. Okay, that's why DE depletion type MOSFET is called as a normally on MOSFET. Okay, but in E MOSFET, okay, when gate voltage 0, that means VGS 0, even though you are applying VDS, there is no drain current. So the drain current ID 0, right? So that this is called as a normally off MOSFET. Okay, right? So now coming to working of N channel E MOSFET. Okay, so this is N channel E MOSFET, right? So here two voltage sources VGS. Okay, positive terminal is connected to gate terminal, and negative terminal of VGS source is connected to source. And next VDS source. Okay, so source is connected to negative polarity, and drain is connected to positive polarity. Okay, so for JFET or any type of MOSFET, the source must be forward bias condition. Here source is N type, so that source N type is connected to negative polarity terminal. Okay, so for JFET, DE MOSFET, E MOSFET, for any MOSFET, the source must be in forward bias condition, right? Okay, so initially take VDS is applied, so VDS is applied, but VGS take 0. Okay, so VDS take 0. Okay, so when VGS 0, drain current ID 0. So why? Because so here I am applying VDS, right? So here source is N type, right? So here source is connected to negative terminal of VDS, right? So here source is N type. What are the majority charge carriers? Electrons. Okay, electrons are negative polarity, right? So here source is connected to negative polarity terminal, so that the electrons are repulsed from source terminal. Okay, whenever these electrons entering into the P substrate, okay, whenever electrons entering into the P substrate, in P substrate what are the majority charge carriers? Holes. Okay, so these electrons, that is electrons from source, when entering into the P substrate, okay, they are recombined with holes. Okay, so there is no electron reached to the drain, so the drain current ID 0, right? Now take second case. So VGS is positive, so VDS is applied and VGS is positive, but VGS take less than threshold voltage. So here threshold voltage means at what point of VGS, okay, at what point of VGS drain current ID starts flowing, that VGS is called as the V threshold voltage. Okay, so whenever VGS less than threshold voltage, but here VGS is positive, so here what happens is, so whenever this gate voltage is positive, okay, so here gate is positive, so here the positive polarity on this insulator layer. Okay, now this the positive potential on gate terminal attracts the opposite type of charge carriers from the P substrate. In P substrate, what are the so here the positive polarity on gate terminal attracts the opposite type of charge carriers. So what are the opposite type of charge carriers? Negative polarity, that means electrons. Electrons are in minority in P substrate. Okay, so now these electrons attracted towards the gate terminal, but these electrons cannot move into the gate because here insulation. Okay, but because of positive potential on gate, here the electrons are accumulated under this insulator. Okay, so by increasing VGS more, for suppose if V threshold voltage 1 volt, okay, if you increasing VGS more than 1 volt, so 1 volt, 2 volt, like that, 4 volts, 5 volts, 6 volts, if you are increasing VGS, okay, there will be more number of electrons are accumulated under insulator, right? So there is a more number of electrons, okay, more number of electrons, so that whenever you are applied VDS, okay, the electrons are repelled from source whenever these electrons entering into this layer. Okay, so here also charge carriers are electrons. Okay, so that there is no scope for recombination in this layer. Okay, when electrons entering into this substrate, those electrons lost due to recombination, but whenever electrons entering into this layer, here also electrons coming, charge carriers are electrons, there is no scope for recombination, so that electrons are moving from source to drain through this layer. Okay, now this layer acts as a channel. Okay, so now this channel is induced by what? This positive potential on gate. Okay, if gate voltage increases, okay, this layer also, this channel also increases. Okay, right? So here is this layer has negative polarity charge carriers, that means electrons. Okay, so which type of semiconductor has charge carriers? Electrons. N type semiconductor. So that this channel is called as a N channel, and this layer is called as a inversion layer. Why? Because here it is, this entire thing is P substrate. Okay, so in P substrate, what are the majority charge carriers? Holes. So positive type charge carriers, but here this layer has, okay, negative charge carriers, that is opposite type of charge carriers. So that's why this layer is called as a inversion layer. So here by increasing VGS, the formation of channel also increased, so that more number of charge carriers moving from source to drain, so the drain current ID also increases. So VGS increases, the drain current ID also increases. Okay, so coming to transfer characteristics plot of E-MOSFET. So we know that transfer characteristics, it is a plot between drain current ID and VGS. So here VDS is kept constant. For example, take VDS is kept constant at 3 volts. Okay, so here horizontal axis is VGS and vertical axis is ID. Okay, so here it is clearly shown when until VGS less than threshold voltage, there is no current, drain current. So drain current 0. Okay, so whenever VGS greater than V threshold voltage, the drain current ID starts flowing, right? So by increasing VGS, the drain current also increases. Okay, okay, so this is about transfer characteristics. And coming to drain characteristics, so it is also, this plot also same as your JFET and MOSFET. So drain characteristics is a plot between drain current ID and VDS. So here VGS is kept constant. Okay, so these are the curves for different values of VGS. So VGS equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the drain curve for different values of VGS, right? So here this region is called saturation. Okay, so until this because of this gate voltage, this layer is formed. Okay, so why saturation effect is occurred, right? This concept is same as JFET. Okay, so here, so VGS is greater than threshold voltage VTH, so the channel is formed. Okay, so whenever this VDS voltage is greater than VGS, means the drain is more positive. And gate is less positive compared to drain terminal. Okay, so in such a case, what happens is here 2 N type. So here 2 PN junctions. So one junction is between source and P substrate here, and another junction is between this drain and P. So 2 PN junctions. So that due to less positive potential on gate with respect to drain, there will be reverse bias increased. Okay, but here the drain is N type. It is connected to positive polarity, so that the reverse bias effect is more on drain side, right, comparatively source side is very less, but drain side is very more. Okay, so this entire thing is depletion layer. So due to this, the channel width is reduced. Okay, due to this reduction of channel width, the drain current ID maintains constant. Okay, so this is about drain characteristics and transfer characteristics and working principle of eMOSFET. Okay, so for high speed switching applications, eMOSFET is mostly preferable comparatively DE MOSFET and JFET BJT. Okay, so when VGS equal to 0, drain current 0, so that eMOSFET will be off. When VGS greater than threshold voltage, the drain current ID starts flowing, so eMOSFET on. Okay, for high speed switching applications, eMOSFET is mostly preferable, and it is very important. Okay, so thank you. So if you have any doubts, so please comment or ask me through WhatsApp. Thank you.